Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge camera specs revealed. 200MP main and 12MP Ultrawide. If you've been waiting to get the scoop on the Galaxy S25 Edge's camera lineup, the rumors are now all but confirmed. Just yesterday, we learned that the front-facing selfie camera of Samsung's upcoming flagship will feature the S5K 3LU sensor with a 1/3.2-inch size. Today, new details on the rear cameras have surfaced, revealing the complete snapper setup, minus a telephoto lens. The star of the show is the same massive 200MP main sensor that's powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering a 1/1.3-inch sensor size. This powerhouse should deliver stunningly detailed shots and really strong 2x zoom performance, which will come in handy since the Edge model skips a dedicated telephoto lens. For the ultra-wide lover in you, the Galaxy S25 Edge will sport a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a January 2nd, 55-inch sensor, matching exactly what's found on the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. In other words, the ultra-high-res 50MP ultra-wide remains exclusive to the S25 Ultra. Want to know what that means for your photos? Expect vibrant, detailed shots from the main sensor that can handle zoom shots better than your average camera phone. The ultra-wide lens will capture all the sweeping landscapes and group shots with good clarity, even if it's not quite the fancy 50MP sensor of the Ultra. Keep in mind, the S25 Edge isn't just about cameras. It's also about that slim, sleek design that makes it stand out. So if you're after a phone that looks amazing in your hand and still takes great pictures, this could be it. As for timing, the buzz is that Samsung will officially unveil the S25 Edge on May 13th, with a launch following quickly after, May 23rd in Korea and China. Soon after, by May 30th, the phone should start hitting other markets, including the US. So, whether you're Team Android or just a tech enthusiast eyeing the latest gear, the Galaxy S25 Edge's camera setup brings some solid upgrades and smart compromises that are worth watching. Stay tuned as the launch date draws near. You won't want to miss it.